Hey friends, if you wish to clear all block trackers list in Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Open Microsoft Edge, click on the three dots at the top right corner, select Settings, go to Privacy Search and Services, scroll down, there will be an option for block trackers and there will be all of these block trackers here. Click on Clear Data and then click on Clear. Now I do this often, I'll tell you why. Because this is very important for the security of your system. Even more, when you are clearing these block trackers, you at least get a chance to look at them, to glance at them, and that helps you find that what all websites were trying to push trackers to your Microsoft Edge browser. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.